MockFlow app. The pros, the cons. If you're a designer or project manager looking to streamline wireframing and prototyping, the MockFlow app claims to simplify the process, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is ease of use. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for professional designers. In reality, MockFlow is intuitive enough for beginners to create wireframes, sitemaps, and simple prototypes without a steep learning curve. The drag and drop interface makes arranging Wii elements quick and straightforward. Another advantage is collaboration. Teams can work on projects simultaneously, leave comments, and share updates in real time. This makes it easier to iterate designs, gather feedback, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Cloud-based storage means you can access projects from multiple devices seamlessly. However, there are cons. Some users find that the mobile interface can be limiting compared to the desktop version. Advanced prototyping features, animations, and integrations with other design tools are somewhat restricted. Offline access is also minimal, which can be frustrating if you need to work without an internet connection. In conclusion, the MockFlow app is a versatile and user-friendly tool for wireframing, collaboration, and early-stage prototyping. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for quick designs and team feedback, complex interactive prototypes may require additional tools. If you're looking for a simple, collaborative way to plan UX projects, MockFlow is a solid choice, but for full-fledged design work, pairing it with other tools is recommended.